Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the guidance volume in the Waze app on your phone. If you've ever found the navigation voice too loud or too quiet while driving, adjusting the guidance volume is a simple solution that can improve your experience on the road. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now scroll down a bit and select Voice and Sound. Finally, scroll down until you see the section called Guidance Volume. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust the volume of the navigation voice. You can slide it to the left to decrease the volume or to the right to increase it. Once adjusted, you don't need to save anything. Waze automatically remembers your selection, and that's it. Now your navigation voice will play at the volume that suits you best.